Are you ready to go shopping? I really need some new clothes.
Yes, I'm ready. What are you looking for today?
I want to buy a new outfit for the weekend. I don't have anything nice to wear.
I'm sure we can find something you like. Do you already have something in mind?
Not really. I just want something comfortable, simple, and nice.
That sounds easy enough. Let's go to the mall and look around.
Good idea. I haven't been shopping in a few weeks, so I'm excited.
Me too. The mall isn't very far from here.
Great. Let's go before it gets too busy. Wow, there are so many people here today.
Yes, the mall is always busy on the weekend. Look at all those stores.
I don't know where to start. There are clothes, shoes, bags, and so many other things.
Let's start with the clothing stores. We can look around and compare different styles.
That's a good plan. I want to take my time and choose something carefully.
Sure, we don't have to buy the first thing we see.
Exactly. I want to find something that looks good and feels comfortable.
Then let's check that store over there. It looks like they have a lot of clothes.
Okay, let's go inside and see what they have. Look at the shirt. I really like the color.
Yes, that light blue color looks nice. Do you like the style too?
I do, but I'm not sure about the size. It looks a little small.
You should check the label. What size do you usually wear?
Usually medium, but sometimes I need a large, depending on the style.
That's normal. Different clothes can have different sizes.
You're right. Let me check this one.
It says medium. You can try it on and see how it feels.
Good idea. I also want to look at some jeans before I go to the fitting room.
There are some jeans over there. Maybe you can find a pair that matches the shirt.
These dark blue jeans look nice. I think they would look good with the shirt.
I agree. Why don't you take both and try them on?
Okay, I'll take them with me. Sam, look at this jacket. What do you think?
I like it. It's simple, but it looks very stylish.
I like it too. I think I could wear it with jeans or a dress.
That's useful. You can wear it with different outfits.
Exactly. I don't want to buy something that I can only wear once.
That's a good way to shop. It's better to choose clothes that you can use in different situations.
This jacket feels very soft too. What is it made of? Let me check the label. It says it's a cotton blend.
That sounds comfortable. Is there another color?
Yes, they have black, beige, and this light brown color.
Which one do you like best?
I think I like the beige one. It's simple and easy to match.
Then you should try the beige one.
Yes, I'll take it with me. Okay, I'm going to try everything on now.
Sure, I'll wait outside the fitting room.
I hope this shirt fits well. I really like it.
Take your time. There's no need to hurry.
Sam, what do you think?
Wow, that shirt looks really nice on you.
Really? Does it look too big?
No, I think the size is just right. The color looks great too.
That's good to hear. What about the jeans?
They look good, but are they comfortable?
Yes, they are comfortable. They aren't too tight and they aren't too loose.
Then I think you found a good pair.
I think so too. Let me try the jacket with them.
Sure.
How does it look?
I really like the whole outfit. The colors look good together.
I'm happy you like it. I think this might be the outfit I was looking for. Excuse me, could you help me with something?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I'm looking for this shirt in a different color. Do you have it in white?
Let me check for you. What size do you need?
I need a medium, please.
One moment. Yes, we have a medium in white.
That's great. Could I see it, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. This is exactly what I was looking for.
You're welcome. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. I'd like to see how it looks before I decide.
The fitting rooms are right over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks for your help. Sam, I really like this white shirt, but I want to check the price first.
Sure. How much is it?
It's $35.
That's not too bad for a good shirt.
I agree, but I also want to buy the jeans and the jacket.
Then you should think about your total budget.
That's true. I don't want to spend too much today.
Maybe you can choose the shirt and jeans now and come back for the jacket later.
That's a good idea, but the jacket is on sale today.
Really? How much is the discount?
It's 20% off.
That's a pretty good discount. You could save some money.
Exactly. I think I'll buy the jacket today.
Sounds like a smart choice.
Hello? Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you. I found a shirt, a pair of jeans, and a jacket.
Great. Would you like me to ring these up for you?
Yes, please.
The shirt is $35, the jeans are $50, and the jacket is $40 after the discount.
Okay, what's the total?
Your total is $125.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. You can tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Thank you. Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here you are, and here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
So, how do you feel about your shopping trip?
I'm really happy. I found everything I wanted.
That's great. Which item do you like the most?
I think I like the jacket the most. It's comfortable and easy to wear.
I agree. I think you'll wear it many times.
I hope so. I also really like the white shirt.
Don't worry, a white shirt will look great on you.
I hope so. But I'm glad you helped me choose everything.
No problem. Shopping is more fun when you have someone with you.
That's true. I don't like shopping alone when I have to make difficult choices.
Next time, maybe we can look for shoes and a bag.
That sounds like a good idea.
But not today. We've already done enough shopping.
You're right. My feet are tired.
Then let's sit down and get something to drink.
Perfect. After all that shopping, I definitely need a coffee.